Greetings, everyone! If you're intrigued by the idea of creating your own CapCut template, you're in the right spot. Today, I'll guide you on how to become a CapCut creator, the essential step to craft your template. Step 1. Set up your CapCut account. Begin by opening the CapCut app. If you haven't already, create your CapCut account. Ensure you sign in and provide all the necessary details. Step 2. Navigate to Templates. Once logged in, head to Templates section. Beneath the search bar, you'll notice various banners. Swipe right through these banners. Step 3. Apply to be a CapCut creator. Keep swiping until you come across the banner stating, "Do you want to be a CapCut creator?" Click here to apply. Tap on this banner. You'll be presented with the benefits and qualification for being a CapCut creator. Take a moment to read through these details. Step 4. Fill out the application. Once you're ready, tap on Click here to apply. You'll be directed to an application form. Fill this out with accuracy. As a part of the application process, you'll also need to create and submit a sample test. After ensuring all details are correctly filled and your sample is attached, tap Submit. Step 5. Await your approval. After submitting your application, you need to patiently wait for feedback. Typically, the CapCut team will get back to you within 1 to 2 days. Once approved, you'll gain the ability to craft your very own CapCut templates. And that's your roadmap to creating CapCut templates. If you found this guide beneficial, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're here to provide you with more insightful tutorials, so stay tuned.